This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a burger blend. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on quality ground beef. An 80/20 lean-to-fat ratio is ideal for a juicy burger. You might also consider incorporating other cuts, like short rib or brisket, for a richer, more complex flavor profile. Always ensure your meat is very cold before you start blending to maintain texture and safety. Now let's get blending. Cut your cold meat into 1-inch cubes, which helps with even grinding. If using a meat grinder, pass the meat through a coarse plate first. For a food processor, pulse in small batches until coarsely ground. After grinding, gently mix in your desired seasonings, like salt and pepper, being careful not to overwork the meat, which can make it tough. With your blend ready, it's time to form and cook. Gently form patties, aiming for about 1/3 to 1/2 pound each and roughly 3/4 of an inch thick. Create a small indentation in the center of each patty. This prevents them from bulging in the middle during cooking. Cook on a hot grill or pan until they reach your desired doneness, typically 160 degrees Fahrenheit for a well-done burger. Finally, let's talk customization and storage. Don't be afraid to experiment with different spices, herbs, or even a bit of shredded cheese mixed directly into your blend for unique flavors. For storage, uncooked patties can be kept in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days or frozen for longer. Cooked burgers should be refrigerated and consumed within 3 to 4 days. And hey, for more great deals and that awesome car air freshener, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.